Hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video. If you want to know why my voice is like this, I'm in a pissed off mood right now. I don't want to say nothing or tell you guys for this long video, but today we're gonna be reacting to TOSOM 2. Do not press the button. Let's get into this.
It is time for elimination. Stop Sign has 11 votes. Arrow has 19 votes. Chalky Milk has 24 votes.
Jockey milk. Oh, sorry.
And Shovel? He has 30 votes. So
Imagine having 30 votes. Imagine have 30 votes in your videos is so crazy, low key.
that means Shovel is eliminated.
Dang.
No! It's time for the next challenge.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go back to the intro I just saw. Hold on. Yeah, my favorite character is Arrow, Cookie, Rainbow, Shovel. No. Yeah, I think, yeah. Hold on. Cookie, Arrow, Cookie, and Controller. Those are my favorite characters. Pizza too.
The next challenge is do not press this button until I get back. And I will be back in like 5 minutes, I think.
5 minutes
Go.
is crazy.
Hey, water bottle, can I press the button? No. Why not? Because, Arrow, we cannot press the button until the host gets back.
That is true. Do not press the button.
Oh.
5 minutes later.
Alright, I'm back. Oh, hey, y'all did what I told you. Alright, since the host is back, I can press the button now. Arrow, go!
Copyrighted music. Sorry. So who do I have to eliminate? I'm gonna go with ping ball. Pink. I don't know. I'll go with ruler. I can't. But I cannot get copyrighted. Freak.
Oh, I didn't know it will explode when I press it. And that's what happens when you press the button.
Dang. Alright guys. Thank you for watching this video.